Using the tab pages to enter information. How do I enter a new record?
Use the New Record button in the status bar at the top of the page. Just click, and an empty form will be displayed with the default values. You may also use the status bar to move between records, delete the currently displayed record, and find records. If the status bar is not shown, click on the View menu and select Status Bar, or click on the status bar button at the bottom of the window.
Why are some labels shown with a maroon color?
Fields with a maroon color label indicate that a field is required. If you fill out a page and save it, an error message will be shown if the particular field is left blank.
What's that horizontal green light I see on some of the pages?
This is a status indicator. On the home page, this shows how many submissions, out of all submissions, have been accepted, are pending, or rejected. On the Stories tab, it shows the same kind of information for the particular story that is currently displayed. On the Publishers tab, the status area shows how many stories have been accepted by that publisher, are currently pending, or have been rejected.
I see an ID in the corner. What's that for?
This is a unique identifier for each item entered in the system. This value is automatically generated by the system. It is necessary for the operation of the software and may be used to reference the item.
How do I save what I've entered?
The software automatically saves a record whenever you enter or change information and then move off the record. For example, it is saved when you move to a different record or another tab. If you have Growl installed and enabled, you will see a note briefly appear when the record is saved. If you change a record and do not want to save it, go to the Records menu and select Revert Record. You will be presented with a dialog that confirms that you want to revert the record.
I'd rather view and edit my information like a spreadsheet table. Can I do that?
Yes. To do this, just switch to the View as a Table. This may be done from the View menu or with the controls in the toolbar.
I want to change the sort order. How do I do that?
You may use the Sort button in the status bar, or if you are in View as a Table, just click on the column header.
I want to change the order that the columns are listed. How do I do that?
To rearrange the order, just click and drag the column to the new location when you are in the View as a Table mode. Or you may click on the Modify button and click and drag the columns in the dialog using the handle provided for each field or column.
I want to completely remove some columns. Can I do that?
Yes. Using the Modify dialog, just uncheck the items you would like to remove. Some forms are not available in the View as a Table mode because it does not make sense to display the items in that view. This completes this tutorial video. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in using the Writer Scribe. Thank you for listening.